So in this video, I want to do a quick tutorial on how you are going to use HonorLock to proctor a test. So first of all, you want to go to webassign, log into webassign and open your exam so that you will see the exam and it's waiting for the password to be entered. Then you're going to come to your Canvas course. Go ahead and already have logged into Canvas, and you're going to click on the HonorLock link on the left-hand side of our page. You will be prompted to install the HonorLock extension. So I'm going to go ahead and agree and say get started, and it's going to download and install the HonorLock into Chrome for me. Now again, I want to point out to you here that I didn't say, but you have to use Chrome to take your test for really webassign as well. Webassign prefers that you have HonorLock there. So you can see now my HonorLock is added. I'm going to go ahead and close that window. Now I'm going to come back to Canvas, and then I'm going to go ahead and here's my exam, and I'm going to go ahead and launch that exam. Once I've clicked to launch the exam, I'm going to go ahead and scroll down and click Launch Proctoring. And what it's going to want to do for me at this point, it's going to bring up a little window. It's going to want to take a picture of my face and a picture of my photo ID. So I'm going to center my face in here, give a little smile. And then it's going to take my photo. And then it's going to ask me to take a picture of my ID. Now what I'm going to do this incorrectly the first time just to show you what would happen when it's not happy. So I'm going to say take the picture of my ID. It's going to say that it doesn't like it. I can click to try again if I want. If I get an error, what I could do is come up here and exit that process, and I could start over again. So once that is successful, the next thing it's going to want to do is have you do a room scan. So you're going to click that button, and you're going to literally pick your laptop up, and you're going to slowly move around and show everything in your room. I'm going to stop real quick. So you're supposed to do a 360 room scan, even show your desk. Now once your room scan is completed, you're going to go ahead then and click to launch screen recording. And then I just click in the middle of this window, and it'll highlight the share button. Now what I'm going to do is go to the tab where my webassign test is, because I want to be able to insert the password. So I bring my HonorLock window back up, and it's going to say insert password. So it's going to type the password in for me, and then what I'm going to do is come back to my webassign and begin the test. Now you'll notice that now you are being recorded, and I will go ahead click to verify, and then in webassign I will go ahead and launch my assignment. Now the settings in webassign are to not allow you to open any other program or website. So if you'll notice, like if I click open another tab, let's say I try to open my work email, it's going to instantly close that tab down. Notice that tab got shut down. Now I have whitelisted Desmos. So when I go to Desmos, it will allow me to access Desmos. That is the one website that I have given authorization to. If you try to open another browser window, it's going to shut that browser down. If you try to open any other program or app on your computer, it's going to instantly shut that down. Each time that you do something like that, it flags the video that it's recording, and I can see that when I come back and look at your test video. Also, if you make any loud noises or you speak to someone or someone speaks to you, it flags the video for me. I don't want you to worry about your dog barking or something like that, but if you are speaking or someone else is speaking, there will be a flag put on that as well. Anytime you look away from the camera, so if you were to look like this, you were to look like this, I'm going to get a flag in the video as well. Now I have created a practice test and placed it into Canvas for you. Now the practice test is in webassign. You're going to go into Canvas, go through this process. I want you to practice what this process is like before you actually take your chapter test. So I have a very short practice test in webassign you're going to complete as part of this practice process. Obviously this practice test is not a part of your grade. Now, once you are finished with your exam, then you're going to come down here and click to exit HonorLock. and you will see confirmation that your exam was submitted.